Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the E1F9 error code on a Maytag dishwasher step by step. Let's begin. Step 1. Power reset. Unplug the dishwasher or turn off the breaker for 5 minutes. Then turn it back on. Step 2. Check for standing water. Open the door and see if there's water sitting at the bottom. If yes, it's a drain blockage issue. Step 3. Clean the drain filter. Pull out the bottom rack. Remove the filter at the bottom, twist and lift, then wash it using hot water, plus a brush. Step 4. Check the drain hose. Look behind the dishwasher for the drain hose. Make sure it's not kinked or bent, and clear any clog if needed. Step 5. If connected to garbage disposal, run the disposal and make sure the dishwasher drain line is connected properly and not blocked. Step 6. Drain pump may be faulty. If nothing works, the drain pump motor may be bad and may need replacement.